Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening the browser you prefer. Chrome and Edge make this easiest. Navigate to YouTube. Calm and sign into your Google account so shortcuts keep your subscriptions and settings. Once done, make sure the browser is updated and any unwanted extensions are disabled. If you plan a shortcut, resize the window so you can see the address bar and desktop at the same time. This sets up everything needed to create a reliable desktop shortcut quickly and without future login surprises. Now create the shortcut. In Chrome, choose More Tools, then Create Shortcut. In Edge, pick Apps, then install this site as an app. On Mac, drag the URL to the desktop or use Safari's Add to Dock via Automator. Name the item YouTube and opt to open as a window if you want an app-like experience without tabs. Once created, drag it to the desktop or right-click to pin to the taskbar or dock so you can launch YouTube with one click anytime. Finish by testing the new desktop icon. Double-click to open YouTube, confirm you're signed in and videos play. If the shortcut won't appear, reopen the browser's Apps or Extensions page and recreate it, or drag the address directly to the desktop. If playback or login fails, clear the browser cache, disable ad blockers or privacy extensions, and try again. Reinstalling the browser or the installed app can resolve stubborn issues. That single troubleshooting step usually fixes most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.